Hey there, fellow gamers. Ever dreamt of building your own gaming PC? That perfectly tuned beast, crushing games at max settings? It's closer than you think. Building your own PC is like assembling a high-performance racing car. You choose the best parts for speed, power, and a smooth ride. Building your own PC not only gives you bragging rights, but also saves you money. Pre-built PCs often come with compromises. By building your own, you control every component, ensuring it meets your gaming needs and budget. Plus, the feeling of accomplishment when you boot up your creation for the first time? Priceless. Don't worry if you're not a tech whiz. This guide breaks down the process into easy-to-understand steps. We'll walk you through choosing the right components, assembling them, and installing the software. By the end, you'll be a bona fide PC building pro. So are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the brain of your gaming PC. It handles all the game's calculations and instructions. Think of it as the conductor of an orchestra, making sure everything runs smoothly. Two main players dominate the CPU market, Intel and AMD. Intel CPUs are known for their raw single-core performance, perfect for games that rely on a single powerful core. AMD CPUs shine in multi-core performance, excelling in games that utilize multiple cores. When choosing a CPU, consider your budget and the games you want to play. For most gamers, a mid-range CPU like an Intel Core i5 or an AMD Ryzen 5 offers a great balance of performance and affordability. Don't forget to check the CPU's socket type. The socket is like the CPU's parking spot on the motherboard. Make sure the CPU you choose is compatible with your chosen motherboard. The graphics card, or GPU, is the heart of your gaming experience. It renders those stunning visuals, bringing your games to life. Imagine it as the artist of your PC, painting beautiful landscapes and epic battle scenes. Just like CPUs, GPUs come in different tiers, each offering varying levels of performance. NVIDIA and AMD are the two major players in the GPU market. NVIDIA's GeForce RTX series is known for its ray tracing capabilities, creating realistic lighting and reflections. AMD's Radeon RX series offers excellent performance at competitive prices. When choosing a GPU, consider your monitor's resolution and refresh rate. A higher resolution monitor demands a more powerful GPU. The refresh rate determines how smoothly the game runs. Don't forget about VRAM, the GPU's dedicated memory. More VRAM means the GPU can handle more complex textures and effects, resulting in a smoother gaming experience. Section 4. The motherboard connecting all the pieces. The motherboard is the foundation of your PC, connecting all the components together. Think of it as the nervous system, relaying information between the CPU, GPU, RAM, and other components. When choosing a motherboard, compatibility is key. It needs to support your chosen CPU socket type, RAM type, and have enough expansion slots for your GPU and other peripherals. Motherboards come in different sizes, called form factors. The most common for gaming PCs is ATX, offering a good balance of features and expansion options. Smaller form factors like Micro ATX and Mini ITX are available for those wanting a more compact build. Pay attention to the motherboard's features. Some motherboards offer built-in Wi-Fi, high-quality audio, and multiple M.2 slots for lightning-fast NVMe SSDs. Choose a motherboard that aligns with your needs and budget. Section 5. Memory and Storage. RAM and SSD explained. RAM, or Random Access Memory, is your PC's short-term memory. It stores data that the CPU needs to access quickly. Think of it as your PC's workbench, holding the tools and files needed for current tasks. For gaming, 16 gigabytes of RAM is the sweet spot. It ensures smooth gameplay and prevents stuttering, especially in demanding games. 32 gigabytes of RAM is ideal for streamers and content creators who multitask while gaming. When it comes to storage, an SSD, or solid-state drive, is a must-have for your gaming PC. SSDs are significantly faster than traditional HDDs, resulting in faster boot times, quicker loading screens, and a more responsive system overall. Consider getting an NVMe SSD, which connects directly to the motherboard's PCIe lanes, offering even faster speeds than SATA SSDs. For additional storage, you can add a larger HDD for storing games, files, and media.